Understanding Protest for Change, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a powerful phrase that resonates deeply in societies around the world: protest for change. This phrase embodies the spirit of activism and the desire for positive transformation in our communities. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and the impact it signifies. Protest for change combines two key concepts: protest and change. A protest is an action taken by individuals or groups to express strong objection to something, often aiming to influence public opinion or government policy. The word "for" indicates the purpose or reason behind the protest. Change, in this context, refers to making something different, usually in the society or governmental policies, in a way that is considered better. People protest for change for a myriad of reasons. They might seek to address injustices, demand equal rights, protect the environment, or challenge government decisions. This section of the video will explore various motivations behind protests, highlighting historical and contemporary examples to illustrate how protesting for change can shape societies. Throughout history, protests for change have played a pivotal role in leading to significant societal shifts. From the civil rights movement in the United States to the recent climate change marches globally, these protests have often resulted in legislative changes, shifts in public opinion, and, ultimately, progress towards a more equitable society. Participating in a protest is a powerful way to contribute to societal change, but it's essential to do so safely and respectfully. This section will provide tips on how to effectively and responsibly participate in or support protests, including understanding your rights, staying safe, and using social media to amplify your voice. Protest for change is more than just a phrase. It's a call to action for those who wish to see a better world. Through understanding its meaning and significance, we can appreciate the courage and commitment of those who stand up for their beliefs. We hope this video has inspired you to learn more about the power of your voice in society. Remember, every small action contributes to the larger movement for change. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to learn and grow together.